It is Sunday, March the 13th. The meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. A really cold Sunday morning has been unfolding for us. I'm cutting this video during the 7 a.m. hour this morning. I'll show you temperatures at that point in time coming up in just a couple of moments. And I'm also going to show you a couple camera shots from across the region. Now, of course, daylight saving time has now arrived. That took place at 2 o'clock this morning. So now there'll be a big difference in sunrise and sunset times today compared to yesterday. So these are the sunrise and sunset times for Charlotte comparing yesterday to today. Today's sunrise now 7:37 and sunset coming at 7:30 this evening. So for those that like the increased amount of daylight during the evening time frame, your time of year has arrived. All right, it is a really cold morning. That's a look live from our camera there on top of the Dowd YMCA. Love this time of day when you have a clear sky. You get the sunrise reflecting off the skyscrapers there uptown. Pretty looking start to the day. But man, it is cold out there. 23 degrees, our Charlotte current temperature. I'll show you all the current temperatures in just a moment. Check this scene out. That is what it looks like there atop Beech Mountain. What a snowy scene. At the summit of Beech Mountain, it is 0 for a current temperature. Mount Mitchell got as cold as about 3 below 0, and just that blanket of snow on an extremely cold, bitterly cold mid-March morning there in many spots across the mountains. Now, this is a look at the 24-hour temperature change map. So temperatures during the 7 a.m. hour today compared to yesterday. It is much colder. It is not often you see on this particular map 40-degree temperature changes, but that's the case in eastern North Carolina and a good chunk of South Carolina. Much colder air masses here. It is 19 in Albemarle, 17 in Salisbury, 19 Shelby, 20 Gastonia, Statesville, 20 in Wadesboro, 21 Rock Hill and Monroe. Here's your mountain temperatures. Banner Elk's at 4, 8 in Blowing Rock. Again, I mentioned the 0 at Beech Mountain. Mount Mitchell's been below 0. Just a really cold morning. Montreat 14. Waynesville at 10. Very, very cold conditions all across the region. Storm tracker is very quiet. Not a cloud in the sky. Certainly no precipitation anywhere close by. The purple shady counties you see there off to the south, there across the deep south, those are ongoing freeze-related products. That's a freeze warning that's in effect this morning for a lot of the Gulf Coast region. Now off to the north, that's snow flying. In parts of the Great Lakes region, that's the only area of precipitation anywhere close by. We will have a very quiet go of it over the next couple of days. That is an Arctic area of high pressure sprawled out across the southeastern part of the country. A couple features with that Arctic area of high pressure. First of all, is the dry air. Dew points are bone dry across the region. We have had single-digit, even some sub-zero dew point temperatures, even down into the Piedmont over the past 12 hours or so. Temperatures are very, very chilly in a lot of spots. There's your current temperatures as I cut the video. But let me show you highs today. Look at the warm air building back here in parts of the Plain States. That's going to be moving our way. And today, even though we have this really cold start to the day underway, I think it'll be 40s in the mountains, low 50s in the foothills and the Piedmont. So a big spread between low and high temperature. When you get that very dry, low dew point type of air in place, as we currently do, and a clear sky, you get some big spreads between low and high temperature because dry air heats and cools more effectively than moist air. We did have 1.17 inches of rain in Charlotte after midnight yesterday. So we do have a surplus for the month and the year of a little over 2 inches, about 2.5 inches of surplus for the year. And there's your highs this afternoon. So again, even though it's really cold this morning, it'll be chilly but more manageable this afternoon and not nearly as windy today as what we had yesterday. Specifically in the Charlotte viewing area, there's your high temperatures this afternoon. There's our mountain viewing area, high temperatures, and it will be sunshine all day. There's Futurecast. Extremely quiet today, tonight, and tomorrow. Lows tonight will be cold, but not as cold as what we've seen this morning. And the nice warm-up continues tomorrow. I think 60s in the Piedmont tomorrow, some 50s in many mountain spots. Now, Tuesday, clouds begin to build. We should stay dry Tuesday, but that's going to be just ahead of our next storm system. Let me show you more on that here in the more detailed modeling. All right, so here we go now with the European model. This is the 0Z run of the European model. As I cut the video, that's the latest run. One of the reasons I'm not a huge fan of daylight saving time is the model data comes in an hour later. But Here we go. Latest run as I cut the video. All right, so let's go out to our next storm system. There we go. Monday and Tuesday. Here comes the next system approaching. This is the 500 millibar chart. Notice that upper level low kind of cut off from the main upper level flow. That'll then slowly meander through the southeast Wednesday and then gradually pull apart Thursday. And then here comes the next system getting here Friday into Saturday. So here's what it looks like on the surface charts. Let me fast forward here out to, we'll say, Wednesday morning. All right, there's Monday. Things are quiet across the Carolinas. Tuesday, I think, again, we probably stay dry through the day Tuesday, but there's that system taking shape to the west. By Wednesday, all right, that's daybreak Wednesday. That next round of precipitation working in. It'll be rain all across the region, and that's what it looks like by Wednesday evening. A little closer inspection here of North Carolina and South Carolina. All right, that's what we look like there. So again, let me back it up. As you step through Wednesday, you see these rain shower opportunities arriving and continuing through Wednesday night. That system pulls away Thursday. And then by the end of the day Friday, that is around sunset Friday, the next chance for some showers arise with that next trough swinging in. So late Friday and into Saturday, we will have the chance for some scattered showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder at that point in time. So 2 rain chances coming up this week, Wednesday and then again Friday into Saturday. All total, that's what the National Blend Model output puts out for rain totals. So not nearly as soaking of a week this week, but a couple shots of some showers coming. And by the way, if you're wondering, this is the European Ensemble high and low temperature chart for Charlotte. Looking out through the next, all the way through the end of March, really, or near the end of March. Looking at temperatures that are going to be generally relatively mild. So once we crawl out of the deep freeze today, temperatures are going to be pretty mild moving forward. All right, so that is it for the latest edition of the video. Everybody have a wonderful Sunday. Stay safe, and God bless.